Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again, and this one is going to be a Christmassy edition, even though I know this is going to be as I was saying. So I know you already probably had you already celebrated Christmas, and that's fine. It's just that this video is actually being pre-filmed because I will be quite busy, believe it or not, in the next few weeks. Today we are going to be talking about things that people do that trigger me. Please, for the love of God, don't do it. Okay, so what bothers me is when people online admit to the fact that they have not cleaned their brushes for months. And I know that you're probably busy and you have a lot to do. However, you're using those brushes most likely every day. So you're putting germs and bacteria on your face every day. And it never ends to impress me how those people very much like to complain about the fact that they have issues with their skin. Yeah, you would have issues with your skin if you're putting crap on your skin every day. Don't do that, please. Don't. Just clean your brushes. Clean your brushes, I would say twice a month if you can, with proper soaps or cleaners that are meant to be used for when you're cleaning brushes. And if you are extra particular, you can even disinfect them in between if you don't want to clean them. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Okay. Second thing that really bothers me is when people state they would like to be a makeup artist, self-taught or certified in any kind of way, okay? And they literally lick the brush, okay? I was really worried after I seen that video, because I'm sure there's a lot of girls that don't know how to use makeup properly or makeup tools and seen that video and thought that that's how you do it, and they will have issues okay, with makeup. You need to have some kind of level of cleanliness, and I'm not just talking about wash hands before you do makeup on yourself or someone else, which I feel like should be everyone should logically do beforehand, but some people don't, so hey. But cleanliness with the products, please do not put saliva on your brushes when you're using makeup, or at any point for that matter of fact. And please clean your brushes somewhat regularly. Yes, I know sometimes everyone gets busy, but take that little time, because your skin is gonna thank you for it. Okay. Another thing, keep it clean when you use makeup. Keep your brushes clean, keep your sponges clean. With sponges, I would even recommend to throw them away after a while. Here's another thing. When people blow into products, and I'm not talking about clothes products, of course. I'm talking about when people open an eyeshadow palette or a highlighter or any kind of product that is in a palette and blow into it. And I understand before I became more educated on this matter and realized that this is actually bad, because again, you're blowing out of your mouth into the products that you will be using on potential clients and yourself. Therefore, you're just asking for an infection or kind of a reaction with the skin that could cause skin irritations. Just don't do it. I understand the urge to do it because you see maybe some fallout and you just want to quickly, you know, blow it away. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Another thing, if you are a makeup artist, no matter what classification or what type, it really bothers me when people, while using a mascara, unless you are throwing it away or giving it to the person you are using it on, or wiping off all the product of the mascara after you use the wand that comes with the mascara, or disinfect the wand and then put it back in, that's fine. However, what bothers me is when they use it on a person and then dunk it right into the mascara, unless of course you're using a wand that you throw away after that, that's absolutely fine. However, when you put the wand back into mascara, if that person that used it on has any type of issues, or even if not, sometimes it could just cause infections because it's not your eyes you used it on. If you will be using the same mascara on yourself or another person, just please, again, as I said, it all has kind of the same theme. Keep it clean. Do not do that, please. It's disgusting and it can be dangerous because, again, it can cause irritations or infections. If you have any kind of infections, do not use makeup if you can help it, or you throw away the products that you used while you had the infection. Otherwise, it's just gonna keep on coming back. Here we go, the last thing. I promise there are a lot more, but these are the main ones because they could affect someone else or yourself with negative side effects that you can easily prevent them. There we go. The last thing is lipstick, lip products, liquid lipsticks. With liquid lipsticks, you can easily take it out, put it on your hand, of course clean hands please, or on a surface that you know is clean or you wiped it down previously, and use the product from there. Of course, with liquid lipsticks they tend to dry quicker, so you need to be a little quicker about it. However, you can just use a lip brush and apply it that way. That is the easiest way to prevent any issues. The second way is, which I'm guilty of using, is to use it directly from the wand. However, before you go back into the tube, it's quite similar to a mascara really. You wipe off all the product, so when you're putting it back in, the brush is pretty much clean, so none of the germs get back into the tube, so they can faster in there till the next time you use it. With normal lipstick, it's even easier. If you decide to apply it directly on someone's lips, please just wipe the top layer off. It's not that hard. Of course, I would always recommend to use a brush instead of applying it directly, but if you're in a hurry, sometimes you just can't help it. But you can easily, as I said, just wipe the top layer off and sort it. Of course, some products gets lost that way, so as I said, I would always recommend a brush just because it saves you product. However, yes, as I said, if you're in a rush, sometimes you want to apply directly, but just please wipe it off before you put it back in. Same with lip gloss or any other kind of different products. Of course, also eyeshadow palettes, you can always disinfect after you use them. This might impact the texture or how the products perform. However, there are different ways of doing that. It also depends where and how you're using that product, but just be aware. These are the things that are very important to myself because I am a self-taught makeup artist. And for me, the most important thing is that I am always very, very much aware of working clean. Clean hands, clean products, and clean tools. So that is all I wanted to say, guys. Let's end this on a positive note. I don't think you need a new year to set yourself a goal and do whatever you want. Just work hard and stay at it. Work hard at it and don't give up, and eventually it's gonna work out. And yeah, I really hope you had a great Christmas. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much all. Please take care, be safe, have a lovely day, evening, wherever you are, and see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!